Well, we had known along the build-up here in Marawi. That is why if you were tracking me, my statements in public was that do not force my hand into it. Because there were already terroristic acts, including or also victims were the innocent men and women and children. Hindi ayaw, ang Pilipinas ayaw kasi medyo complacent. Pero sila sa military pati police, ni-warningan na ako na it has become critical in Mindanao. Alam mo, kung hindi talaga bobo yung mga opositor, you know, you have to declare martial law in the entire Mindanao. Kasi wala ito, are not separated by waters. And they can always seek refuge. Because apparently, ang dito karamihan, wala namang Kristiyanos. All Moro from Mindanao. So even on hot pursuits, they would go running towards Lanao del Norte or going down to Basilan. Kaya kailangan mo, bakit mo martial law ang Marawi lang? Kung kagaya ngayon nagtatakbuhan na, you have to pursue them. And if they are cornered, they might just opt to be terroristic. Bomba dito, bomba doon. Mahina kasi talaga ang you have to grapple between the naive or a pretended naive.
Yeah.
Kasi this is Moro land, ang Mindanao. It is not just a land of opportunities for all, Christians and everybody.
Yeah.
So, ang simpati talaga niyan, magbakbakan pag nagtakbo yan in all direction.
Yes.
And that is why you have to declare the whole of Mindanao.
Yes, po.
Kung hindi ba yung mga bubo, putang ina, hindi makaintindi na.
Specifically po, I was asking about your message to the residents of Marawi who have been displaced, who may not have homes to return
to. It is
to.
in the pipeline. Long before, sinabi na namin, matagal to. Kasi nakapwesto na silang lahat. They were already deployed on vantage position. Kumbaga sa away ito, umaakyat ang mga sundalo ko na sila nasa on top of the mountain. So ang target nila nasa baba, yun ang armed forces. Di marami kaming patay. Hindi ko naman akalain na ganon kalala. Kasi now, lumabas na si Baghdadi mismo, the leader of the ISIS, has specifically ordered terroristic activities here in the Philippines. Wala naman kasi tayong away, and we are having a quarrel here purely fueled by nationalism ng Moro. And we're trying to correct it with the MNF. We didn't want to fight. Sabi ko, it's not a good thing for a president to declare martial law, especially the second president only in modern history to declare martial law. I am not proud of it. I am not happy with it. But I have to call the soldiers in because they were already occupying a definite territory and governance really has collapsed there in Marawi. At saka they were already flying the ISIS flag. Nawala na yung... So, ngayon nakita na ninyong Pilipinas. Ang problema nito, yung spillover. That is why we have to declare martial law in the entire island of Mindanao. Because they can run everywhere and anywhere. And they can always find sanctuary and solace. Kasi distributed tayo lahat. There are Christians in Hulo, and there are Muslims in Davao, lahat hanggang Abra. That is why it's not a good thing to fight. I'm appealing to the Moro. Yung Moro na ginagawa na nga natin We're trying to fix it by talking to the MI, and I've been talking to Nor Miswari. As a matter of fact, he even committed his troops to fight in Marawi. Sabi ko, wag. Kasi ano kayo puro kayo Muslims. Huwag lang muna, hayaan mo lang. So government is the neutral party here. So kami, hayaan mo na lang kami. It has nothing to do with religion. I refuse to believe that it is religion that fuels this one. It never has been, and it is not now. Meron kami, sabi ko kay June, when I was mayor of Davao City, siya yung sa housing ko, prepare a rehab plan for Marawi. Unahin ko lang yung mga bahay na yung mga mahirap. Yung mga makalalaking building, hayaan mo na, may pera. Pero there will never be, I will promise you, there will never be cooking of shabu in this island of Mindanao when I am through. I have ordered the military and the police to strike hard against the drug people. Kasi kasama na sila sa rebellion. Ang rebellion was financed by drug money. Yung remittances sa abroad, hindi masyado malalaki, tinignan na namin sa mga remittances. Ang pinakamalaki nga, napunta pa doon sa pulis. Alam mo kung sino yan? Yung babae na pulis na traidor, si Noblesa. She was receiving on a regular basis money coming from the Middle East. Ganong katindi yung walang hiya na yun.
Sir, ano po?
Traidor.
President,
Yes.
Zaya po from Davao today. Sir, ano pong thoughts nyo on the participation of the U.S. troops dito po sa Marawi?
I am not aware of that until they arrived. And when I declared martial law, I gave the powers to the Defense Department. Hindi ako nakikialam because it is purely, and we follow the opinion of Justice Mendoza.
Sir, wala po ba tong effect dun sa pinupush nyo nga independent foreign policy sa bansa?
Gusto ko nga sana kasi may gera eh. And we are not that powerful. Maybe we do not have the technical expertise to do it. That is why itong mga Philippine Army natin, most of them or all of them nag-schooling ito sa Amerika.
Okay po.
So ito talaga ang sentimento nito pro-American. Pro-American talaga ang mga sundalo natin. That I cannot deny. Yung away ko sa Amerika, hindi yung Amerikano. Putang inang Obama na yun.
Sir, Independence Day po tomorrow, may nakikita po ba kayong yung pong target ng government na mabawi yung Marawi sa mga kalaban?
Mabawi naman ba? Wala mo ninyo
Kayo
yan.
po,
Meron
ano
na
pong
except
tingin?
for 1 or 2 buildings there. Snipers. Yun lang ang tatapusin. But ang sundalo, they're in Marawi na. Meron lang 2 buildings with snipers. So until now, pati nga bata, tinamaan eh. Pero let us not make this a joke na ganito lang kasimple ang... Just imagine, I lost how many soldiers?
58.
You see?
Mr. President.
And you say that sino yung mga oppositors? I lost 58 yesterday soldiers. Add it to the growing number of already. Tapos ganun lang kasimple ang tingin nila na maybe sila kasi sa Luzon okay lang sila. But ilagay mo to dito sa Mindanao. Make him establish a residence here in Marawi and in Zamboanga and Hulo. Tignan natin. Madali lang kasi magdaldal, papugi. It's very easy to, criticize. But history has shown na yung nagkikriticize, yung noon liberal, sinasabi corrupt si Arroyo, ngayon sila, tignan mo yung 6 years. Di puro corruption.
Okay. May nga po, Mr. President, may tulong na po ba tayo mula sa mga ASEAN countries at may tulong din po ba mula sa China?
Wala. I have not done that. I have not made an appeal. I said I did not even know that the American government has been providing technical. Kasi sabi ko, yung mga sundalo natin, galing lang lahat, almost all officers will go to America to study about militaristic things. Kaya meron yan silang rapport, and I cannot deny that. But I said, my quarrel with is with the State Department and Obama noon. who was reprimanding me in public as if I were a federal employee. Yung pagdating naman sa kaibigan kong si Trump, si Donald, sabi niya, tama ka. God damn it, wala kang mali dyan. Oh. So sino ang sundin ko ngayon? Paiba-iba ang kultura nila or the changing values of America. I really do not know. So we better stick to our own. Kaya ako wala akong totoo yan. I never approach any American to say that tumulong kayo. Baski wala man silang tulong. Siguro, meron man. Ako, papasalamat lang rin ako. Nandyan na rin. It could save lives. But to say na, kaya man natin. Kaya natin. Sabi ko, sundalo, kaya natin. O, kita gusto mo nang bumalik, oh. Yan, bantay. Pagbalik yan, kay may galit na yan. Hindi yan mag-atras hanggang hindi mo wala ang ulo. Oo. Sabi ko nga sa kanila, wag ninyo yung bigyan ko sila ng baril. Wag ninyo, sabi ko mag-iwan ng dalawa. Mag-surrender ka, puputulin rin ang ulo mo. Yung bala na last, para iyo yun. Kung ako, ganon ang gawin ko. Hindi ako mag-surrender ng buhay. Ganon rin, mamamatay ka rin. Bakit mapahiya ka pa sa sarili mo? Pero ito, matatapang to. Babalik ito, mga next year, ganun ka, may sugat na naman. Pero matatapang eh. Kaya ako, pag magsaludo ako, you would notice, I would say, bumaba yung kamay mo. Kasi kung magsaludo ka ng presidente, mauna talagang presidente magbaba. Pero itong mga idol ko, yung isa doon, maraming anak ko. Tapos sabi niya, asawa mo, dadalawa sir. Isa lang pala sir. Huwag kang bata, huwag kang mag-ano ha. Kaya pareho ang sakit natin. Malaman ko kung nag-like ka, kagaya ko. Pero itong Maris, matatapang to. Tinatakutan talaga to. Pati lahat na sundalo. You are brave enough to fight any war. Ito, Caroline, bihin mo doon sa mga tao mo sa bukid. Batayin mo. Hindi ko malaman. Una, sabi nila, you resume the ground action. Tapos then, they wanted to offer to fight with the... Kaya tingnan ko, kung Pilipino ka man, tignan mo sitwasyon. Which movement do you prefer? The ISIS or the Republic of the Philippines? Mamili kayo. Again?
Who is the cabinet official in charge of rehabilitation?
Ibasco yan. Si Ibasco yan. Ibasco is the former priest who was arrested by the Scout Rangers noon. Tapos nadala na. Pare yan, silang duha ni Tison. Father Tison is already dead. Waray yung pumunta doon sa Mindanao, naging NDF, kagaya mo. Tapos, nahuli sila. Alam mo man ang history. Mamakak pag yun. Huwag ka na magpa-deny-deny dyan. Yung mga intelligence ang nagkalat, alam niya na.
Wrong intelligence.
Ba, hindi naman, okay, peace naman tayo. So, wala namang galawan. Tapos, si Basco, nagtrabaho sa akin, naging mayor ako. I was the one prosecuting him because I was a fiscal. Ako yung prosecutor niya sa korte. Pagdating ng panahon, hindi naman namin kasalanan, binitawan lahat. Pati rebelde, ayun. Pumunta si Basco sa akin, naghingi ng trabaho. Ngayon, sekretaryo na siya. So pagbalik niya sa kampo doon, mga sundalo, saludo sa kanya. Pero pagtalikod niya sa mga sundalo, ang sarap barilin ng putang yan. Pati yung mayor kasama niya. Pandama yan. No, ganun lang ang buhay. There's always a time for war and a time for peace. This is a time for war.
Message to get to the Marawi residents.
Yes, I said, alam mo man nagaling lula ko. Mga kapatid kong mga Maranao, lahat na. pati the Moro world of Mindanao. I do not want to fight. I simply cannot wage a war against my own people. I pray that there will be a short period of war activity, and we expect it to be over soon. We are ready, ang gobyerno, ang ating republic, to extend assistance. We will always, alam na Basco yan, komunista yan hanggang ngayon. Alam niya how it works in the masa. You go for the mga mahirap, paakyat ka doon. Kung may matira, yung mga mayaman. Kung wala na, pasensya.